Welcome guys. In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize your WooCommerce orders page to show orders by country. This is very useful when you have large number of data in your database. So you head over to your cPanel, and you all know what cPanel is, where you hosted your files. Then open File Manager. File Manager gives you access to all the files that are hosted in that particular hosting account. So open up your public_html directory, then open WP content directory, then open your themes directory. There you open your child theme directory and edit your function.php file. Once that's open, we start customizing our code. Mind you, not all themes comes with child theme. So I'll copy the comments and paste below, and I'll just rename that. Yes, I'll just rename that to WooCommerce Order by Country. Yes, so all the code goes below there. So first start by adding function add_country_metadata with a parameter of order ID. Remember, functions are blocks of reusable code that perform specific tasks. Open our curly braces and hit enter. So order ID will be equals to wc_get_id, and we'll pass our order ID as parameter. It gets the order information based on the provided order ID. The next line will now be billing_country equals to order ID. Underscore order ID get_billing country parenthesis. We'll call that as a function. The line retrieves the billing country associated with the order. So to further continue this video, the next line will be update_post_meta. Open it as parenthesis. We'll put our order ID, comma, billing country as the string, comma, then call billing country as a variable. This line updates the order metadata by storing billing country. It uses the update post meta function to save billing country. So out there, we go outside and register the add_country_metadata function, which will be executed when the WooCommerce checkout_order_process action occurs. So add_action, we call WooCommerce_checkout_order_process as a string, comma, then the action triggers our custom codes to run. Then add_country_metadata. So we'll now move on to our next line to add a new function, add_country_filter. Open curly braces and hit enter. So we'll declare a global variable called type noun. This can be accessed from anywhere within our code. Then we'll now give our if statement. If shop_order equals to type noun, this is to check if the type noun is equals to shop order. Yes, this block of code is within our if statement, and it will be executed depending if our shop order matches the global variable. So define a variable countries equals to wc, call out the function, hyphen countries get_country, call that as a function. This line retrieves a list of countries available in WooCommerce, and it uses get_country method provided by the WooCommerce countries class. Yes. So we'll now open PHP tag and open a select element. Select name equals to billing_country. This is a HTML element with the name attribute set to billing_country. We'll use it to display a drop down of countries. Then the option with a value, empty string value. Then we'll call our PHP function in there. All countries will be displayed in this drop down. So _all countries, comma, then WooCommerce. Mind you, some of the strings we use here are defined in WooCommerce library. You can check them out. So we'll now define another PHP tag below our option tag is to loop and iterate over each country in the countries array. That's for each countries as key equals to value equals to or greater than value. Assigns the country code to key and the country name to value. It allows us to dynamically generate the option elements for each country. So below that, we create another option tag. Yes, for each country, we set the value to the country code, which is key. Call this as the PHP tag, and display the country name. Echo esc_attributes. I'll call as a function, then put the key variable in there. If the currently selected country matches the key, it adds the selected equals to selected attribute to mark it as a selected country. Yes, then we'll give another if-else statement in there. If is set $_get. Remember, these are PHP predefined functions or methods. We'll open our array and put it billing_country and $_get billing_country equals to $. That's a key variable. So it's going to echo selected, just like I said earlier, to mark the current country selected as being selected. So once that's done, we come outside and call another PHP tag to echo the value. So that will be echo esc_html, open curly braces, and call the value variable there. So after that, I close my PHP tag, format it, and come outside and close the other PHP tag. Then I'll go ahead and close the PHP tag for the select element. So we'll go ahead with our code, add_action. Yes, just to call what we created earlier. First call restrict_manager_posts, _country_filter. This line registers the add_country_filter function to be executed when the restrict manage post action occurs. Furthermore, we go ahead and create a new function, filter_orders_by_country, then give it a queries or a parameter of a query variable. Then we'll define the global variable page now and type now. They are used to check the current page and the current post type being displayed. Then in our if parameter, if it's at edit.php, is equals to page now and shop order is equals to type now. And is set $_get, open the array, and billing_country. These are conditions we're setting. And not empty, $_get array, billing_country. This line is to check if the current page is the order management page, which is edit.php. The current post type is shop order, and if the billing country parameter is set in the URL and it's not empty. If that is true, we'll open our curly braces and call the meta_query equals to array. Open it, call it as a function, open that, and call another array, also call it as a function, open that, then we'll set what we want. So the key will be to $billing_country. The value, this one will be value, will be sanitize_text. Yes, sanitize_text_field, called as a function, or $_get billing_country. That's one to sanitize the text field of billing_country. Then the next one will be compare. So compare Now because this line creates a meta query array to filter the orders and sets the key to billing_country, the value to the selected country from the URL, and the compare to, because to this means it will match orders where the billing country matches the selected country. So once I'm done formatting my document, I create another $ query. Yes, query object to include the meta query defined above. We'll set that to meta query. Yes, as defined above. Meta query. This parameter sets the meta query parameter of the query to the meta query array. Come below and add action. query_get_post, filter_orders_by_country. After that, I correct all my errors and I save the document. Once there's no error, save the document, then I go to the orders page and refresh it. The orders page on your WooCommerce. Mind you, you have to have WooCommerce installed to be able to do what we're doing. So as you can see, all countries select drop down is showing. Yes, so it's not currently showing 159 items. Then I'm just going to select, let's say Nigeria for start, and I'll click the filter button. It's going to refresh the page and show you all the users that made a booking from Nigeria. Yes, as you can see, our code is working. So I select and try United States. It's going to load. Once it's loaded, you see total of 34 items for United States, users that booked from United States. You see how useful this code can be. We can change to maybe UK and filter the items. It's going to show us all the users that made their booking from the UK with the total of the items. If you enjoy this, like, share, and follow. Thank you. See you guys next time.